Welcome back to this video. If you use Chrome browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to make your Chrome browser 10 times faster with simple Chrome flag settings. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Chrome browser, and to make your Chrome browser super fast, there are some certain steps you need to follow, which I'm going to show you right here. The very first step you need to take is to make sure that your Chrome browser is up to date. So for you to check on update for Chrome browser, come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and then come down below right here, make sure you go to settings. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here where you have about Chrome, click on that, and right here you can see update is checking. So make sure your Chrome is up to date. So by always updating your Chrome software, it improves and boosts the performance of your Chrome browser. Just like what you see right here. Now, having updated your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here again and make sure you create a new tab. Then having created a new tab, what you need to do right here is to simply come to the address section right here and make sure you type in Chrome colon. So you can see Chrome colon / flags. So type in on that. So you can see the URL right here. So once you type in this particular URL, it's going to take you to different Chrome flag experiments that you can simply work with. So for you to super increase the speed of your Chrome browser, what you need to do is to come to the search flag right here. So just type in protocol . So once you type in protocol right here, you can see we have two protocols settings right here by highlight. So what you need to do right here is to experimental quick protocol. So what you need to do, this particular extension is available for Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android version of smartphone. So what you need to do right here is to simply click on this default right here. So having clicked on this default, make sure you enable it. Once you enable, come down below right here and relaunch your Chrome. So just like what you see right here, it has been updated and then our Chrome is back. So this has been enabled, and as a result of that, you are done with the best way and simple setting you need to take into consideration in order to enjoy your Chrome browser super fast and speed up. Then the last thing you need to do right here is to come here, make sure you click on this particular three dot again, then come down below right here, make sure you go to settings. Then under the settings, go to performance right here, and then under the performance, make sure this tab here are on and this tab here, these two tab here is on. It's as simple as that. You can scroll down right here and make sure you enable memory saver also. Make sure this button is on. It's as simple as that. So with that, your Chrome browser is going to be super speed and fast when you are browsing without any stress. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.